Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on today's video we are going to review and swatch Aimeili's brand new builder gels in natural colors, from pinks to natural white, very sheer colors. And these are builder gels. Yes, so here's the package where they came in, but I already removed them from the box. And in the box you have instructions on how to do step-by-step use your builder gel. A builder gel is something that you will use as an overlay on your natural nails, as I have here, or you can use it to extend your nails. And here it is, and it's funny because these are actually still pictures from screenshots or frames from one of the videos that I did for their original builder base in total clear, a clear builder gel that they have. Very good product. I will link the link of this video down in the description bar below. But yes, you can follow these instructions on how to work with the builder gel to extend your nail. So these are in more natural colors, from pinks, and there's an off-white. I'm loving it because it is nowadays it's very popular to build the nails with a natural color, not just clear. Okay, so yes, the numbers are from 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, and then 153. So these are 10 ml bottles, and you will know right away that this is a builder gel when you open the containers. They're a very thick viscosity. Okay, so here's a very pretty pink, and like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and now do the swatches so you guys can see how they vary in color and consistency. I will do that over this color wheel, and keep in mind that these tips are already white. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so here are the swatches. I know some of them are going to be hard to tell, but you can see, I mean, these builder gels are very sheer. Okay, so this is just one application. Keep in mind that with the builder gels, unlike how you saw me do the swatches here, you do not do the application like you do gel colors. Again, for more information on that, on proper application and use of builder gels, I will have a video as an end card at the end of this video, as well as down in the description bar below, so you can see the proper application of a builder gel. So here are the colors. This one's a pink. This one's in the pink family. This is the white. This one is almost clear, but it has a very slight hint of a natural peachy color. This one's in a little bit more of a peach tone. These two are also pinks. This one a little bit more clear or lighter than this one. Okay, so very pretty colors depending on your choice of preference or skin tones and whoever you're going to use these on. to build a nail, whether it's extending it or just to use it as a gel overlay, like I do have one here on my natural nails. So there you guys have it. If you guys have any questions on these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Aimeili for sending me these beautiful builder gels to play with and review. I will have all the links down in the description bar below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.